Welcome everyone on this getting started tutorial video on how to buy Ethereum with Metamask wallet. So guys, once you download and install the wallet, your objective is to actually fund it. So this is one step you could go through the Metamask wallet. After you download the extension, you should be able to click your Fox at the top, and it should open up your wallet. Your wallet might say account one, or some members might have named it. So this is how you do it. You choose the account or the wallet you want to fund. You click on deposit. We scroll down to Coinswitch. We're going to choose Coinswitch to actually purchase Ethereum. I believe the minimum to purchase is $63. So keep that in mind. You have to literally purchase 63 US dollars worth of Ethereum. It's going to open up this. And guys, the way that the markets are going with Ethereum, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but I'm just letting you know my opinion. I think Ethereum is going to really be very profitable for a lot of people. So real quick, I'm going to choose Ethereum. I'm going to hit continue, $63 worth. Next, what it's going to do, what you do is you will come to this page, Coinswitch actual official page, and what you're going to do, you need to put your Ethereum wallet address here. So this your $63 can, once approved, it can come here. If you have any issues or anything like that, we'll show you that part too. You need to contact Coinswitch support if you get any issues. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my little fox. I'm going to copy my address to my wallet, which if you just open up a wallet, it may have account one there. Just click on it. For me, I named my wallet, so that's why I named it. So I'm gonna just click on it here. It said copied, and I'm gonna come here and paste it, my address there. Okay, then I'm gonna hit continue. All right. Your next step is to fill out your card information details. Go through all of this, do your little KYC. You may have to upload a driver's license, anything like that, front and back. And that's normal. Cash out payment processors, other payment processors require that now. So if you have to do that, just do that. Upload a driver's license ID or ID back and front, and go through this process and hit pay now. And if it say approve, and they eventually send your email, stuff like that, showing that your payment is approved and processed. If you get an error or anything, just contact support. They have a chat box at the bottom. Put in your name, email, put in your message if you got to issue anything, and wait for support to contact you. And if your funds go through, it will show up in your wallet. And this is just a quicker way to try to show people how to buy Ethereum right through their Metamask wallet for any smart contract programs that you're currently in. And each member can do the same. And just put your card information in, and you should be to make sure you put the correct billing address for your card information. Put your email, phone number, date of birth. Check out the box, hit pay now, and whatever steps they take you from there, just follow through it through verification, and then go through there, and you should be good. So, and please, if you could get a card issue, if you have another card, try that. And if you have any issues or anything, you just may have to, go through other means of buying Ethereum. So you have to research that while you have time. So thank you for watching this video, and get back with the person that shared this video with you.